the song we're gonna learn is a song by Babyface. It's called The Loneliness. It's from the album Grown and Sexy. The chords are the same from the verse and the chorus and the guitar solo that he has in the song. Okay, so let's start. Alright, so the first chord is a G minor. And then the next chord is a C minor 7. And then the next chord is a F7. And then a B flat 7. So it's the same shape, but you just move it up to the 6th fret. Okay. And then an E flat major 7. And then an A flat major 7. D, so D major, and then a D7. Okay, and that's the entire song. The key to it is just playing it very smooth and kind of feel the vibe of the song. It's a great song, and if you've never heard it, go check out the album. It's called Grown and Sexy. It's got a lot of great songs. Anyway, enjoy.